Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers, and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Sophia.
And my name is Nelson. It's a tremendous day to be a Panther.
Panthers, if you missed our FAFSA financial aid workshop, EFSC is having a help session today, February 12th, at their Melbourne campus from 3 to 6 p.m. Financial aid experts will be there to walk you through both the student application as well as the parent application.
Make sure to please create your FSA ID at this website prior to attending.
There is also a college fair at Vieira High School tomorrow, Tuesday the 13th, from 6 to 8 p.m., and no registration required.
Students, another great opportunity is coming up. It is an aerospace tech fair at Kennedy Space Center on student holiday Friday, March 15th from 9:30 to 4:30 p.m. Open to anyone in the 9th to 12th grade.
Transportation is available through BPS from certain regional sites. See flyer to sign up link.
Panthers, there will be a junior class spirit night Tuesday, February 13th at Twisty Cone Ice Cream from 4:30 to 8:30 p.m.
Anyone that buys ice cream during that time will be supporting our junior class.
Make sure to mention to the cashier that you are there for Heritage Spirit Night. 25% of the profits will be donated to 2025 senior class.
Students and staff, Heritage High School will be sponsoring another blood drive on February the 21st. You must be 17 years old or older and must have registered to donate.
All donors will receive one of the following offers per donation: refreshments, a long sleeve t-shirt, and a wellness checkup, which will include checking your blood pressure, pulse, temperature, and iron count, and cholesterol.
You can register to donate blood in room 6114 before school or during lunch if you have a pass from your fourth period teacher. Bring your ID to sign up and receive permission forms.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!